How to log into TikTok Lite account. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded TikTok Lite app on your device. Then launch your TikTok Lite app. You'll enter this kind of page. Now here you're going to find login options. You can use your phone, email or username. Likewise, you can continue with Facebook, Apple, Google, Twitter or Instagram to log into your account. Select the option that you have used for creating your TikTok account. I'm going to directly enter my email or username. Once you type in your phone number, email address or username, click on the option of continue. Now you will be receiving 6-digit code in your email address that you have just entered. You can type in that code over here to log in, or also you can use the password. If you want to use the password, you can click on this option, log in with password. But I'm going to use the code. So here you can see that I have received the code from TikTok. This is the code. I'm going to copy this code. Then you can close it. Then launch your TikTok and then type in that code over here. And just with that, you'll be logged into your account. This is how you can easily log into your TikTok Lite account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.